Sunday's a lazy day here in Nicaragua. If you want to get something done, good luck with that. Almost everything is closed. There's a few shops open, but majority of the people don't work on Sundays here in Nicaragua. They're either out spending time with family or just relaxing on their day off. So today, in today's vlog, we're gonna go look for some food here at the local market because the market is still open, and I heard they sell some delicious soup, some homemade soup there. So let's go ahead and see if we can go find it. So one area you can always count that they're gonna be open is the market, the local market. So welcome to the local market in my hometown here. Hola. It looks like quite a bit of restaurants are closed, so hopefully we can find some soup around here. Buenas. ¿Tienen sopa? O ya no. Ya no, ok, gracias. Aquí venderán. Sopa. Sopa tiene. No, no sopa. Ok, gracias. ¿Y a qué hora vendieron la sopa ya todo?
Ya la sopa se terminó como antes de las 12 ya.
Antes de las 2, rápido.
Sí, a las 12 en punto ya.
¿Y a qué hora cierran aquí pues?
5:30.
5:30, ah, sí. Buenas. ¿Tiene sopa todavía? ¿Ah? Ya no hay.
Hay, pero verduritas, sí, con solo sopa, porque carne ya no.
Ah, carne. Ok, voy a ir a preguntar a otro lado a ver si regresa. Buenas. ¿Tienen sopa? Sopa, ¿hay sopa? Sí hay. ¿Qué tipo de sopa? ¿De res? Ah, me da una sopa, por favor. Okay. All right, thankfully we found some soup. I almost got pretty sad because 4 spots didn't have soup, but this one they have some beef soup, so they're about to bring it to me, so we're gonna see what that is about. But it's noon already, so they're saying the soup already sells out by like 11 a.m. So next time, you and I need to get here earlier to get some better soup. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully it's really good. Gracias. Oh wow, there we have it. Look how delicious that looks. That looks super yummy. I can't wait to dig in. You got the little chilote, beef, all the right veggies there. Look at that. All right, moment of truth here. It looks incredible, but how does it taste? Let's check it out. Oh my god, that broth. It tastes so good. I think as the meat has a little bit of fat, so it just soaked into the broth, and you can just taste all these flavors. You look at the meat right here. Let's see if the meat falls apart. The meat, look at that, falls off the bone. Man, that is delicious. You have the tortilla here. Check it out. The tortilla, amazing. You dip it in there, take some broth. Really good. It doesn't get any fresher than this. You can just taste the culture behind this. It's just really good. These typical soups are common across Nicaragua on the Sunday. And if you go out partying on a Saturday and you're really hungover, this is the cure right here. So they also gave me a little rice to go with it. We're gonna take some rice. I'm gonna dip it in the broth. Oh, I also got some juice here. I'm gonna dip the rice in the broth here. Oh my god, it doesn't get any better than that fresh rice inside that broth. And then we have the juice here, a melon juice. Oh my god, 100% with these tropical fruits here. That's the beautiful thing about Nicaragua here. You have a limited supply of fruits year round. Really, like anything in life, the best restaurants are just the ones where it's the locals cooking in remote places, just hitting away, where everyone local goes to eat. That's where you'll find the best culinary experiences in each country. That's my opinion right there, but comment below if you agree. Okay, muchas gracias. That was 170 cores. That was 170 cores, Córdoba. So that's close to what, $6? I'll put it right here. Not a bad deal for a fresh meal out here. You know what would be good after eating that soup? Some nice fruit, a nice dessert. So let's go get some. ¿Me puede preparar un mango, por favor?
Maduro.
Este que está amarillo, ¿está
okay.
bien? Sí, con un poco de vinagre y chile. Un poquito, sí.
¿Tajín?
Tajín un poquito, sí. ¿Cuánto le debo ahí?
40 Córdoba.
40 Córdoba, okay, cool. So 40 Cordobas, that would be $1.05 or $1.10. So this is common here in Nicaragua. These mangoes, they're the best. They are sour, tangy, sweet because the mango is sweet. But then you also have the spice from the tahini in here. So when you bite into this, it's like eating a power punch of flavors here. This is really delicious. And this is very common here in Nicaragua. They'll do mangoes, guayabas, ocotes, any fruit. They'll mix it in with vinegars and other stuff. You can still order it as a plain fruit. That's what I do sometimes where I'm not really into these kind of vinegars. But sometimes you just need something there to give you a little bit of edge right now. But super delicious. It is mango season right now in Nicaragua. And avocado season, which is amazing. You can find these huge avocados. We're gonna sit here and we're gonna enjoy this, and I want to show you guys something special after this. Check this out right behind me. Look how beautiful that building is. So this is the cathedral here in Ocotal, Nicaragua. It is common that in Nicaragua each city is gonna have their beautiful cathedral. The story with this one here is that construction started in 1803 and it went all the way to 1860. So for about 60 years it was under construction, but it still maintains its beauty. It is still highly used till today. I think church is going to be around 5 and it's going to be packed there with people. People here in Nicaragua are very spiritual and have a lot of religion, and they go to church on Sundays. But look at that, one of my favorite beautiful cathedrals here in Nicaragua. Wow, look how gorgeous this tree is here on the side of the cathedral. How beautiful it is. This whole garden is just beautifully done. It's so much cooler in here. The birds. You guys hear the birds? Man, a Sunday in Nicaragua. It's usually a relaxing day. You guys hopefully getting these vibes over here. Still a lot of movement, but everyone's just enjoying their day. Everyone has a different style to pass their day around here. It's a lot of outdoor activities you can do also, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog here of a Sunday in Nicaragua. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.